song activity ideas for ELT. A time-saving ebook that does the heavy work so you can focus on the most important, inspiring and motivating your students to learn creatively. In this 50-page ebook, you will get step-by-step guidance, so you don't get lost, and quickly absorb the new idea, which means you prime your brain to use the idea easily, with any song you want. Real examples of the activities in action that will help your mirror neurons help you incorporate the new ideas in your brain as if you came up with them yourself. Videos, PDFs, and resources that end up making you a more creative teacher in the process. 21st century skills. Innovative song activities that make your students think critically and creatively, and that also foster communication, interactivity, imagination, and leadership skills. This will make you stand out as an efficient and creative teacher that gets results. This means more students and consequently, more money in your account. Tech tutorials and tips to use digital tools which will make you feel more confident in your own tech skills so you can keep up with the competition in this new digital world and thrive. The 4 skills. Ideas to use songs to work the 4 skills: listening, writing, speaking and reading, so you can have the best of 2 worlds. The joy and fun that songs can bring to your class, and also, the confidence you have that your students are practicing the English language meaningfully and effectively. 10 creative ideas that are going to rock and roll your ELT practice and not only transform and expand your view, but also make you more open and in tune with your own innate creativity. You'll also receive 2 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. 2021 special collection of 12 song-based lesson plans with step-by-step guidance, extra materials, and more. Bonus 2. Boosting creativity. 20 proven ways. Strategies for you to develop your creativity, a 23-page special report. You will also get our 15-day happy teaching guarantee. Try it out for 15 days. We're sure this ebook is going to be very useful and time-saving for you. However, if by any chance you change your mind about your purchase, we'll give your money back, no questions asked. Make a difference in your students' lives. Gift them with rich and original activities which are sure to amaze and engage even the most unmotivated students. Provide them with a memorable English learning experience. Use this ebook as a handy source of ideas you can mix to fit any song you want to work in class with them. Turn those English teaching moments into enjoyable, motivating experiences and moments of fun for them, and most of all, you. Get your copy and exclusive bonuses in the link below.